This is the unboxing of the V8 video shooting pen. It says here it can record videos continuously for 75 minutes and it can support a 64 gigabit card. So I damaged this in my packaging getting it home, and here's what is inside of it. So the stuff just fell out of the back of it. These look like the miniature pen ink cartridges. This is a 32 gigabyte memory card. Here's a micro USB, so looks like you can put the micro card into the USB converter. And it also has this cable here. Let's see if that's to power it or recharge the batteries. So you can see there's a switch here. Turn it on and off. It looks like that's a button there. If we unscrew this, that looks like there's a place for this cable to charge it up. And then in here, you can see that looks like the ink. It looks like it's going to take a screwdriver to get the ink cartridges out of here. So as soon as I plugged it into charge, this light came on. It's a reddish colored light indicating that it's charging. Here is the instructions that come with the V8 video shooting pen. So basically the on-off button is here at the top, and by sliding the slider up, that reveals where the camera is. It lists here the product features. It can do full 1080p, and I'm right now charging it while we're reading this. Over here it can do 720p video recording, and it depends on how you push the buttons up here. Or you can do 1080p video recording, and there's instructions here on how to turn off the flashing LED, so you're incognito. If you need to format a larger card, it comes with a 32 meg memory card, but if you need a bigger one, you have to reformat it. And here's the instructions. You can actually record while charging. So we come over here, you can see where this is where the camera is, and at the same time I'm charging it. You can see the red light is on, which means it's charging. When it turns blue, that means it's full. You can also set the time adjustment. Looks like you have to plug it into a computer to do that. And then over here, there's some other parameters and specifications for the V8 video shooting pen.